Hi there and welcome. My name is Jen. In today's video, I will show you the technique and probably tips about our triangle pose known as Trikonasana. Just to let you know, in this pose, we are trying to form 3 triangles in where we are at on the asana. Shall we begin? Join me. Alright, with Trikonasana, we are using the wide space of our mats and widening our feet as far as we can go. Make sure you spread the even weight on the heels, and we're going to start on one side first. So let's bring all toes to the left. So the front foot lines up quite directly to your knee. The back foot, if you can't bring it as far forward as you can or far to the left as you can bring it to either 45 angle, or you can even bring it to 90, as long as you feel the weight pressed on slightly on the outside of the heel. Right. There is the option to engage the knee, which is to lift it up, but not too much slightly that you're locking it. So just lift it up slightly so that we can feel our inner thighs squeeze. If you can't feel that, and if you need to soften your knees, try to anchor your heels down. So you're trying to press your heels towards the mat, so we feel the little squeeze in the glutes. Next thing, to the center, pull our bellies up like we're zipping the belly, so we protect that lower back of ours. That will engage into our core. Now take a nice breath in, lift the arms to your shoulder level. As you breathe out, relax the shoulders. So every pose we do, we have to relax our neck and shoulders so that we're not trying too hard as well. We've got to breathe in the space. Now the next thing is to bring a bit of more length. You want to breathe in, reach the arms to the left, but we want to lift it up to 45, so we pull the spine and lengthen it. Then as you breathe out, we're just going to rotate the arms and drop the left arm to the left knee. The option here, you can put it on the thighs, you can keep the knees bent, or the shin, but never press down on the knee because that's your joint. Now the aim of your Trikonasana is not to side bend and feel a stretch here, but rather we want to pull ourselves up so that our spine lifts up to 45 and squeeze our inner thighs and anchor our heels down. Turn the palm in, so we drop the shoulders down, giving it a release, and you can look up, or if you want to, you can look down. Then we stay here for deep breaths. 3 deep breaths for this one. Inhale, keep lifting. Exhale, keep pressing the heels down. Again, inhale as you lift. Exhale, relax the shoulders back and down. Yeah. One more, taking a breath in. And then as you breathe out, all the way down to the ground we go. Keep pulling your spine to 45. So we're forming 3 triangles. Can you see it? And then inhale, come back to the center. Exhale, release, or we move on to the next asana. Same thing on the other side. So let's recap. All toes to the left, to the right. Pressing the back foot, engaging the heels down, so we have a little bit of strength or grounding with our legs. Pull the bellies up. Then breathe in, arms up. As you breathe out, give yourself a chance to relax in this space. Then inhale, reaching over, lift a little, and then exhale, turning the palms and just lifting tall. Again, we stay for 3 breaths. Inhale, reaching. Exhale, grounding. 2 more breaths. Go at your own pace. One more. And then as you release, take a breath in so we can feel the lift and the energy through our breath. Exhale to release, or moving to your next pose. And with that, thank you very much for watching this light technique. Again, if you got any questions and if you see any gaps, feel free to share the knowledge by putting your comments down on below. If not, I'll see you on the next video. Thank you. See ya! If you enjoyed this video around yoga and fitness, push the like button to let me know you want to see more. While you're at it, hit the subscribe button down below to be in touch with more videos coming up.